Live from the command center of JW Solar USA. Look what we got today. Today we're going to be talking about welding machine. Is a Lincoln Electric, made in USA. Check this out, man. Good product. Look at all the specifications. It's a 225 amps link welder right here, a JW Solar USA command center in Minnesota. And guys, this is something else. So I just picked this one up. It comes with a helmet. It looked like one of those movies. They were, like I don't know how to call it. I don't want to make any mistakes. Comes with the gloves. It comes with the arc rods, different kinds. I can able to do metal, steel welder. Can do a steel welding on this thing. Look at the massive plug. This is gonna be out there, 50 amps, 240 volts. Look at this. It's a beast, a beast. So guys, I just want to show you. Maybe you guys have this a lot in your garage. I bought it from Facebook Marketplace. See that it's electric election guide for AC 225 S welder right there. Now you got it. It can tell you all the kind of electric rods used and the amps, which are the electrodes that you want to use, so corresponding to the amperage here, so you won't make any mistake. So I wish this paper would have been well secure. I can laminate this one so that specification will be there, but I'm trying to put a tape over this because I don't want to lose this information. It's very important. At least if you don't know what you're doing, electrode like that would take all the way, look to 40 amps right here. It's a 564 and 332. It's a 75 amps and all the way coming down, and 1/8. It's a 90 to 115, 130, 19, all the way down to 100. And it can tell you even the plates. And look, 532. It tells you how many amperage you can use. You dial this down right here, and you can set it to the proper specification you want. From Cleveland, Ohio, Lincoln Electric. Awesome. I think you guys know it better. They have the Mueller and all the good stuff, and this is what I have. And this is going to the compound overseas. Here goes the code right here. This is going to go for my off-grid home. JW Solar USA, live in Africa. So this is gonna go there. Look at that. Listen, the breaker. Wow. Sounds like a good stuff, and they gave me this, and with all the different gloves. There's another one. Almost have the same one like this. I shipped overseas. And I can do all kind of welding into this, and this is gonna be crazy. So all gates and fence and all the other stuff we want to do for the company, this is what we have right here. Now you have it right here, JW Solar USA, live from Minnesota.